kind of mad because my eyebrows only look good right now. But every time I do it every day, it comes out sloppy and messy and nasty. It's okay. It's okay.
Boy, I'm going brag, bitch bad and her ass fat. Ass mad, I did a dash. She was spit on that dick like splat. Thought her ass get hit with his back. Like baseball, my nigga on that. Ain't nobody gonna play with my racks. Give you S's around my neck. Bitch bad and her ass fat. Like baseball, my nigga on that. Ain't nobody gonna play with my racks. Give you S's around my neck. Bitch bad and her ass fat.
Guys, it's Dreamer Drea here, back at it again with another video. And today's video, I am doing a affordable back to school makeup look right here, as you can see. I will be listing the products that I used down in the description below, so check that out. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hey, what's up? It's your girl, Dreamer Drea here, obviously. Without further ado, I'm just gonna start this video and yeah. Hey you guys, so first things first, we're gonna start on the face, specifically the eyebrows. Oh, hey there. Now that my eyebrows were etched by Frankenstein, time to get to the face. First, I'm starting off by color correcting my dark spots with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange. Now I'm taking this small NYX concealer palette to also correct. Move your headband for more coverage. I can't really match my shade, so I use two different foundations. This first one is a Maybelline, and the second one is a L'Oreal. First, I use a brush just to evenly coat my face. Then I use a sponge to pack it in. Now I'm taking a lighter concealer shade to highlight my face. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer again. Blend, 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 blend. Just so you know, if it looks like I'm talking throughout this video, I totally am. I was on Instagram Live, and I usually don't do lives, so you should go check them out when I do them. And you'll know if you go follow my Instagram, duh, it's right there at the bottom left corner. Go ahead and look it up on Instagram and follow. Thanks. Using the dark shade of the concealer palette, we're just gonna start contouring. Now it's time to take out that translucent powder and start baking your face. I'm just going over every spot that I highlighted. Now I'm taking a contouring brush and some dark face powder and just contouring my face where I did it with the cream contour. Yes, that was a lot of contour. Now take some blush and a blush brush and put that rosy red color on your cheeks and temples, and you can even put it on your nose like I'm doing here. Now I'm just taking a face powder that resembles my skin loosely and a big face brush to wipe away all the excess powder I was using to bake with. To stay matte throughout the day, spray and press those powders in your face. The first highlight that I use here is an e.l.f. highlight that looks more natural to the skin. I use this along the tops of my cheeks, my temples, my nose bridge, the tip of my nose, the top part of my lip, and on my chinny chin. The next highlighter that I used was the glorious Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. I only used it to, you know, spice it up. With a black eyeliner, I'm putting back my original and unoriginal beauty marks. Now using a Wet n Wild and a MAC Cosmetics mascara, I'm just gonna coat my lashes a couple of times, top and bottom. Now that I'm spraying my face for a second time in this video, that signifies that I'm actually done with this makeup tutorial. And now I'm releasing the demon, I mean my hair, from its scarf. Forgot the lips? Slap on some Carmex and some Fenty Beauty Balm Gloss to make it look better.
Finito.
So I'm back and this is the finished look. This is my affordable back to school makeup. It looks pretty good to me. The only thing that is expensive that I used in this was like the Fenty Beauty products. So I used Fenty Beauty for my highlighter, the second highlighter I used, and I also used it for my lips because I use it every day, period. If you want to see more looks from me and all of that, just subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video and comment and just tell me what else you want to see. Make sure you follow my social media. My Instagram and Twitter is dreamer_Drea1. My SoundCloud is dreamer_Drea. I don't make music, but if you want to like know what songs that I've been using in these videos, because some of y'all be liking my music. My Snapchat is hello_pretty13, and yeah, go check those out because I be doing stuff sometimes. Like I just went to a fashion show the other day. I be doing stuff. Bye.
I never play these niggas too safe. We caught 2 3s in May. All my niggas do not play. Remember when I was sad? Now I'm back and I got no bags. Niggas looking at me mad. Cause fuck boy, I'm gon' brag. Bitch bad and her ass fat. Ass mad, I did a dash. She was spit on that dick like splat. Thought her ass get hit with his back. Like baseball, my nigga.
Why am I this awkward? I don't know.